Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I'm excited to bring you another great product from Rimgard. If you guys watched my videos before, you know I love these things. It's a great way to keep your wheels safe. Now these ones are for a Toyota product. So if you guys out there have a Toyota, such as a Camry, a RAV4, CHR, the Cross, Highlander, Avalon, Venza, and the Mirai. And I'll list those in the description as well. These will work for that. For those for 2018 to current. Just like before, great quality product, one-piece design here. It's real nice. And they each have their own locks. Of course, you get everything you need here. Here's the locks for them. Like I said, these are a great way if you guys are finding in your area a lot of wheels are getting stolen. I know the cord, they get stolen all the time, many different places. Give you everything you need, the tools. And this is nice too. There's no master keys with these. So with a lot of the generic locks, there's master keys that people can get. Well, there's not for this. So you can get more. You have to get them specially made if you lose them. Just another level of security there for you. And all this butyl tape here, which is an easy way to get the center caps off. So guys, these right now, these are the newest one they've made. So they're taking pre-orders right now. They should start shipping mid-December. So if you guys are interested, I'd definitely check them out. Check the link in the description. Here it has the installation guide. They recommend removing the wheel because it's a little harder to put these on in the Accord because there's not much room, but you can put these on without removing the wheel. But they say it's a little bit easier if you did remove the wheel. So just want to let you guys know that. But again, great quality product, really secure. It's definitely the best way to keep your rims secure. So check the description. Check them out. Like I said, they're doing pre-orders right now. And again, I'll put in the description what models they fit as well. The only thing it doesn't fit is the Corolla. So if you guys have a Corolla, these don't work. They might be making those later on, but as far as right now, it won't work for the Corolla. So mainly, if you guys have the Camry, it'll work for that. If you guys are running OEM wheels. So like I said, definitely check them out. I haven't came across a wheel lock as great as these ones, in my opinion. I mean, for what you get, it does the best thing covering the lug nuts so someone can't just break them off. So it's the best way. Like I said, if you're having that issue in your area, I would definitely recommend getting these. It's cheaper than your deductible to get new wheels put on your car and the damage they do when they leave it on blocks. Just add a level of protection that I would definitely look into. Again, the link's in the description, guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. Appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, definitely reach out to me. I'll get back to you. I appreciate all that, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.